By following Lord Fusor's Sprayable Seam Sealing Standard Operating Procedure, you will learn to reduce your repair cycle times with direct-to-metal sealer application, resulting in a more profitable repair that matches the OEM sealant quality and appearance. Fusor 1 component sealers are recommended by GM, Ford, and Chrysler. Before we begin, it is important to think safety first. When using seam sealers and adhesives, always wear proper hand and eye protection. The first step in any standard operating procedure is to identify and understand what type of repair you need to perform. To successfully duplicate OEM textured seams and coatings, you need to first determine what type of application you are trying to duplicate. Is it a textured seam? Wheelhouse coating, sound dampening pad, or underbody coating. Fusor HD sealers are approved to replace underbody coatings on Chrysler vehicles. Next, identify if a particular color is required. Fusor high-definition sealers are available in the four most common OEM colors: white, gray, black, and beige. Lastly, will the application be over primer or bare metal? Fusor HD sealers have passed 60 cycles of SAE J2334 cyclical corrosion specification on bare metal. The next step is to properly prepare the surface to which the sealer will be applied. Use a red scuff pad to prepare the bare metal or primed surface and blow clean. Priming the substrate is not required. Fusor HD sealers provide corrosion protection for the entire lifetime of the vehicle, even when applied directly to bare metal. You can save time and money by skipping the application of primer. However, if you desire to use primer, follow the manufacturer's recommendations and allow it to fully cure before applying HD sealers. If building a sound dampening pad or duplicating OEM straight-edge seams, tape off the desired area with masking or fine line tape. Now we will review how to properly apply the sealer. First, select the appropriate sealer based on the color required. All HD sealers have the same work times and are available in the four most common OEM colors. Next, cut off the tip and puncture the foil seal. Be sure to use an air regulator on the Fusor 312 gun. We recommend a test spray out on a piece of cardboard to dial in the 312 gun. Use the spray pattern control and flow pressure control to dial in the desired pattern. Start with 35 psi and adjust the flow and pressure as well as distance from the substrate to achieve desired spray patterns. Once you have dialed in the desired pattern, apply the Fusor HD sprayable sealer to the vehicle. When building sound dampening pads, tape off the area with masking tape and paper. Use a notch spreader or trowel to match OEM appearance. To finish the repair, immediately remove any masking tape and paper that may have been used. Then, prime and paint per your paint manufacturer's recommendations. Fusor HD sealers can be painted immediately, up to 30 days, without a scuff. Fusor HD sealers have a skin time of 20 to 45 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The sealer will reach full cure in 24 hours for every 1/8 inch of thickness. For example, a bead that is 1/4 inch thick will fully cure in 48 hours. The sealers are paintable immediately and can be applied directly to bare metal. For more information about Fusor HD sealers, or if you have questions about our applications, please contact us through our website, customer service center, or social media platforms. To purchase Fusor HD sealers, contact your local Fusor distributor.